Every AI assistant you've used has the same flaw. It eventually forgets you. And the few that do remember, they blindly overwrite old facts with new ones. No questions asked, no awareness that a contradiction has happened. ConflictMind solves the messiest part of memory, conflict. Think about this. What should an AI do when it knows you love spicy food, but then you tell it spicy food upsets your stomach? A human would notice that contradiction and think it through. Most AI just picks the latest fact and moves on. ConflictMind does what a human would. It detects the conflict, argues both sides, and resolves them into a single coherent truth. There are 4 steps in our project. So every conversation gets summarized and stored as typed memories in MongoDB Atlas with vector embeddings. When 2 memories are too similar but contradictory, vector search finds them, and an LLM classifier confirms it's a real conflict, not a false positive. Then, a 3-step adversarial debate runs. Memory A argues its case, memory B argues its case, a Gemini judge synthesizes a resolution, and that unified truth gets written back to Atlas with the full debate transcript attached. The agent runs on Google ADK with the Gemini 2.5 Flash through Vertex AI. There are 2 tools, an MCP toolset that queries MongoDB Atlas directly for relevant memories before every response, and a custom store memory function that handles embeddings and triggers conflict detection. Flask wires it all together, and the whole thing runs on Google Cloud Run. 3 of us built this over 2 weeks. Nitin built the entire MongoDB memory layer, the write, retrieve, and the vector search. Bharati built the front end and the memory graph that you're about to see. I built the reconciliation agent, the debate pipeline, and the Cloud Run integration. Now let me show you a live demo. This is a fresh start. There's no memories yet. I'll tell it something about myself. I love spicy food. It responds, and watch the sidebar. That memory just got stored in Atlas with vector embedding. Next, I love Italian cuisine. Second memory in. And now I'm going to contradict the first one. I hate spicy food, it always upsets my stomach. Now watch the conflict panel. It caught it, and it didn't just fire on similarity score alone, it ran an LLM classifier to verify this is a genuine contradiction before saving a conflict pair. Now let me open the memory graph. These nodes are memories, sized by confidence, colored by type. That amber edge between the 2 spicy food nodes, that's the conflict, and it's already resolving in the background. Here's the debate transcript. Memory 1 argued that the user explicitly said they love spicy food, and memory 3 fired back. The judge synthesized, the user previously enjoyed spicy food but now avoids it due to digestive issues. That's a more nuanced truth than either memory holds on its own. Now, can you recommend some dishes I enjoy? Can I have some food ideas, please? This is the real test. Can it use the resolved memory instead of the raw contradiction? Mild Italian dishes? No spicy food because it's working off the reconciled memory, not the original conflict. That's the whole system end to end. What we built for this hackathon is just the beginning. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just remember your preferences, but it understands how they evolve. One that knows the difference between who you were last month and who you are today. That handles contradiction the way humans do. Not by picking a winner, but by finding a deeper truth. That's where we're going with ConflictMind.